Hi, this is Extend Office. Normally, an Excel drop-down list only allows you to select one item at a time. But with the two methods in this video, I will show you how to enable multiple selections in an Excel drop-down list. The first method is to use VBA code. Before enabling multiple selections, let's create a normal drop-down list first. In this example, I have a skill list in column A and an employee list in column C. I want to select multiple skills for each employee in column D. First, select the cells where you want to insert the drop-down list. Then go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. In the Allow box, choose List. Then click the Source box, and select the skill list from A2 to A9. Click OK. Now we have created a normal Excel drop-down list for the selected cells. But at this point, each employee can only have one selected skill. Next, let's enable multiple selections for this drop-down list. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom. Choose View Code from the menu. This will open the Sheet Code window in the Visual Basic for Applications editor. Now copy the VBA code from the link in the description and paste it into this code window. After that, return to the worksheet. Now, when you select skills from the drop-down list, Excel will keep the previous selection and add the new selection into the same cell. This means each employee can have multiple skills in one cell. The code also prevents you from selecting the same skill more than once. By default, the selected skills are separated by a comma. To use another separator, change the delimiter in the code. For example, you can change it to a semicolon and a space. Or you can use VBNewLine to put each selected skill on a separate line in the same cell. If you are not comfortable with VBA, or you want a quicker way to make a regular drop-down list allow multiple selections, you can use Kutools for Excel. Here, I already have a regular Excel drop-down list in column D. To enable multiple selections, first select the cells that contain the drop-down list. Then go to the Kutools tab. Click Drop-down List. Then enable Advanced Drop-down List. And choose Enable Multiple Selections in the drop-down list. In the Settings window, enter the separator you want to use between selected items. If you check Wrap Text after inserting a separator, each selected item will appear on a new line in the same cell. Here, I will leave it unchecked, so all selected skills stay on one line. Next, I will check Enable Search. This will add a search box to the drop-down list, which makes it easier to find items quickly. After that, click OK to apply the settings. Now click any drop-down cell in the selected range. A list box will appear next to the cell. Click the plus button next to a skill to add it. Click the minus button to remove it. You can type a keyword in the search box to quickly filter the list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.